it out of Peoria yet. What up, y'all? We're back at Rice and Beans. Well, I don't know where.
Where should we put our stuff?
Rice is?
That's the other one.
I don't know. Anyways,
My Farm Daddy Flex, you know what it is.
Another year in a
spring
row.
break trip, another year, another trip. It's a different year.
we're looking forward to it. We know where we're going this time. We're going to Branson, Missouri. Should be a good time.
That'll be
Looking
good.
forward to it.
It's raining here in
Trying to-
Illinois. That's
Yeah,
okay.
something to get over.
You gotta work through it.
Exactly.
Working through this year.
Lord, to lean on the Lord.
Hey, there's beans right there. There's beans.
Stay tuned. First road bump. Haven't even made it out of Peoria yet. Going to get this tire fixed. Made it to the garden center. What up, y'all? We just got done at the Walmart. It took us about 2 hours to get our tires fixed, but we're finally back on the road. What up, y'all? We stopped at Cane's. Everyone feels a little sick because Jared and Hannah drive like crackheads, but that's beside the point. Stop numero dos. Filling up for some gas.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Farm Daddy Flex. We made it to Branson, Missouri. Look at our little lodge, our house for the next couple of days. Fresh out the van.
Literally. Fresh out of this thing.
This is amazing.
Show us the place, Monish. Let's get a tour.
This is like the dining table anybody would want, right?
Of course.
That's what's up.
Of course.
And then they got the fridge. Of course.
Have
it's
to have
empty.
a fridge.
Yeah. And then beautiful recliner, amazing.
Nice little chill spot.
They got 2 rooms that are empty. That's a whatever.
Nice little
Harry Potter.
Harry
character.
Potter.
So there's a bathroom connected to this, Hannah, which is where we'll be.
And then we have
Maria.
look at that fancy stuff. Look at
How cute.
They got anything else?
What?
Anything else?
I figured having staff with Amanda.
Would you look at that?
Would I look at what?
This is.
What do we got?
This is your place.
Right where I'll be sitting all day.
This is the kitchen. They got the fancy stuff right here. It is adorbs.
Did you say door?
And we got the lighting, fancy lighting. 2 fridges. That one's not enough, you know? They got 2. And then they got the Walmart, Mr. Coffee.
Could have done a little better.
Come on. You gotta be kidding me. Tiny sinks.
Little
No big
six.
deal.
Little
Real
disappointing.
tiny though. Kids, you know? With the bathroom again. We have some beans. And then those green little things.
Got it.
And then mac and cheese.
Still in a
Bread, some biscuit. And then some trash. Look at the trash. There's a trash can right there.
Them?
Not them. No, there's a trash can.
Brownie adventure number 1.
That's what this one is, right?
How do I start this up?
I think it's preheated. It's on. It's ready. It's ready. I think. It's, well, you gotta put them in. I think it's ready.
Is it? Is it?
Well, stick your hand in there and see if it's hot. Oh yeah, it feels a little toasty. There she goes.
Kind of day.
Top rack kind of day.
We'll see. You guys can't find it.
Okay, it went in at 8:39. You know what that means?
For KitchenAid.
Look for KitchenAids. Got it.
Explain the gospel the same way every time. There are critical elements that should always be included in the chip.
Lit.
Thank you. I will see you guys in the morning. The spot is warm.
Cheers. Finally come back.
Just know
Talking to her boyfriend.
it's been a joy. Goodbye, vlog. I love you guys.
We have 2 more coming. They came a little later after work. And then that will wrap up the first day, probably. The last 2 have made it. The last people have arrived, so it's time for your boy to go to bed. I'll see you all tomorrow morning with another video. Make sure to click that subscribe button. And as always, you know what it is.